Today I sit down with the Director of R&D from RLP Technology, MJ, to discuss a revolutionary new assembly process that's going to take the world by storm.
The repeating layer process is a very interesting mathematical approach to manufacturing. We're offering an alternative theory or alternative method to design manufacturing system or assembly systems than the traditional method that is the assembly line. Zero time to market. If I want 100,000 more parts from you and you can click a button and start producing 100,000 more, this is unheard of. Over 5 years, we're building 3 million. We go to the RLP, we run the exact same investment plan, and we see the RLP going to 8 million over 5 years. The center of the manufacturing or the industrial boom for the world.
Should be. Well, there you have it, folks. RLP, the future of assembly.